What's going on, everybody? It's been a while since I made a video. It's been a while since I had a truck on the channel. Here is my 2014 Ram 2500. I just put 22 by 10s with 37 13.5 inch tires. I did this on a Ziegler's Fabrication leveling kit, and I did have to cut out the pinch weld here. It's very crudely done for now. I'm going to bend back the plastic and finish this up, paint match. It sticks out about 3.5 inches. And this lip here is 4 1/4. When I asked the manufacturer for the specs on these things, he said that the lip was only going to be 3 inches. Therefore, with my 2.5 inch level, I would not have hit, but that was incorrect. So I did have some rubbing issues. Now it's all good. Like I said, it's only a 2.5 inch front level. Nothing else. Nothing in the rear. It's fully level. Like I said, it drives beautifully. It rides beautifully. If you would have gone with a 12, you would have had a major issue, and it wouldn't have fit. I see a lot of galleries with different fitments, but you never really... I don't see many 22 by 10s, and I didn't expect this much poke, to be honest with you. But like I said, they gave me the wrong lip diameter, so I had some of my measurements wrong. But overall, I love the truck, love the way it looks. I love that I have these wheels that I don't see very many people have. Very little pictures online of them, and it looks great with the MegaCab.